Colonel,
Then I interject, please.
Colonel Buyakaw, masama loob mo? Yes or no? Buyakaw? Yan.
Was the relief order a surprise to you when you received it?
O kaya dapat hindi sumama ang loob mo dahil alam mo na yun ang tradisyon eh.
Ano ko sa sa issue tungkol sa kay General Karamat, no? Para once and for all masettle yung issue. General Karamat, isa sa issue yung pagkaka-relieve ng mga tao from CIDG na nagtrabaho at nag-raid dito sa Pogo Hub na ito. Marami kasing haka-haka na ang nag-order ng kanilang relief ay ikaw. Meron naman nagsasabi na merong higher authorities ang nag-order. Meron naman din nagsasabi na mga superior mo ang nag-order. No? Para lang magkaroon ng liwanag o maliwanagan ang lahat. Pwede ba sa pagkakataong ito, pakisabi nyo, sino ang nag-order ng relief ng mga taong yon?
On the part of Colonel Alejandro, ako po sir yung nag-relieve sa kanya. But nasabi naman ni Colonel Alejandro na before the operation in Bamban was conducted, he was already informed of the impending reshuffle. Nasabi na po yun ni Colonel Alejandro. Actually, hindi lang po si Colonel Alejandro yung na-relieve nung yung reshuffle ay naganap. 6 po sila na regional chief. At yung sinasabi nila, sir, na wipe up yung tao ni Colonel Alejandro, actually, 2 lang po yung official na na-relieve. On the part of Colonel Buyakaw, which was another operation conducted after a year, 2024, I received a memo coming from TDPRM as I presented in the previous hearing, memo from Directorate for Personnel and Records Management directing me as the director of the CIDG to replace Colonel Buyakaw, Your Honor, sir. Yan lang po, sir.
Kanino ho galing yung order, General?
TDPRM, sir, Directorate for Personnel and Records Management, sir. So,
Sino po ang head niyan?
it was, the OIC din was General Bakay, sir.
Okay. Sige, thank you, General Karamat. Kay General Bakay,
Thank you, Your Honor, sir.
General, sa'yo pala galing yung order.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Magandang hapon po, Mr. Chair.
Is that because you intend to reshuffle or there was a pending reshuffling of your men? Kaya nyo in-implement yung relief ng mga taong taga-CIDG?
Mr. Chair, the order to install Colonel Ana, necessarily relieving Colonel Buyakaw, came from our Chief PNP. As a matter of fact, we wanted to attend, Mr. Chair, to explain why there was a relief. The difference of time between the operation in Banban led by Colonel Buyakaw was 1 month, Mr. Chair. March 17, yung order ko po. Yung memo ko was April 17. There's a 1-month lull. Meaning when General Marbil took over, during the operation, Mr. Chair, kaya po nabanggit ko si General Acordanon because it was during his time nung nagawa yung operation sa Bamban led by Colonel Buyakaw. It was during the time of General Acorda. Nung na-relieve si Colonel Buyakaw, Mr. Chair, was the time of General Marbil. And nabanggit din po kanina ang position ng RFU NCR Director. Usually, ang choice ng Chief PNP ang inuupo po dyan. Perhaps even General Acorda can attest to that yung nilagay niya as the RFU NCR, Colonel Buyakaw, was his choice. The same is true with General Marbil, our current Chief PNP. Si Colonel Ana ang gusto niyang maging director ng NCR RFU. It has nothing to do with the operations in Bamban led kay Colonel Buyakaw a month before, Mr. Chair. I hope that's very clear.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Salamat, General. Nandito po ba yung mga na-relieve? So, sa second round, Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest my interest to ask questions later.
May I interject? Andiyan nata si Colonel Buyakaw. Andiyan ba si Colonel Buyakaw? Colonel Buyakaw, can you sit here? Baka we can ask him question na para at least in relation to what you're asking.
Ito pala, tanongin mo.
Yan nga, dito pala. So, Colonel Buyakaw,
Yan.
was the relief order a surprise to you when you received it?
Sir, actually, sir, I was working on another case. Kasi tapos na kami doon sa Bamban, sir. And that's the time na lumabas yung order ko, sir.
So, hindi ka ba nagtaka?
Well, sir, kasi wala na si Sir Acorda na nag-install sa akin, sir. So, I expect, sir, na ganun, sir, mangyari.
Bakit ini-expect mo? Meron ka magandang trabaho, meron ka magandang achievement, tapos nirelieve ka. Anong nasa isip mo noon? Anong
Well, sir, I believe, sir, kasi in the past, ang mga, sir, chief sa NCR, sir, is placed by the chief PNP, sir.
Colonel,
Sige, please.
Colonel Buyakaw, masama loob mo? Yes or no?
Sir, I'm just
Yung
a
totoo.
police officer.
No. I'm asking you, personally. Masama loob mo sa pagkakaalis sa'yo after a successful operation. You have to be, you are in front of the Filipino people. Masama loob mo dahil pagkatapos ng magandang operasyon, tinanggal kayo. Yes or no? Kasi malalaman natin, kung hindi masama loob mo, di okay. Masama ba loob mo? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Di ba? And you feel nadedemoralize kayo dahil nga successful operation yun, tapos bigla kayong tatanggalin. Di ba? Kaya sabihin natin that this is the practice of all these chief PNPs, no? General Acorda, during your time, was there a situation wherein there is a successful operation, then a day after, tinanggal mo sila lahat? Was there an occasion?
During my time, sir, I cannot recall such situation, sir, because talagang duly informed naman ako sa lahat ng mga operation, and except if there are some demeanors in the operation conducted, doon lang nagkakaroon ng
Chairman.
relief, sir.
Of
But
course.
as far as I can recall, sir, wala pong nangyaring
Of
ganun.
course, yun ang medyo masakit sa atin na after, ito yung hindi ko matanggap, honestly. When we have the last hearing, before I recognize Congressman Chairman Acop, hindi ko matanggap na after a successful operation, sasabihin natin that alam na naman nila natatanggalin sila. Di ba? Sana hindi po ganun ang maging procedure ng PNP. And as a matter of fact, marami sa inyo na na-demoralize dahil nga inilipat sila. Let's accept it. Ayan, katulad si Colonel Buyakaw, sinasabi niya, di ba? Personally. Di ba?
Mr.
Masakit. Kaya, I hope, before I proceed, the chair would like to recognize Congressman Chairman Acop. Chairman Acop, you have the floor.
To put things in their proper perspective, Colonel Buyakaw, nasabi mo kanina na ini-expect mo na ma-relieve ka. Tama? Nung nawala si General Acorda.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Bakit?
Sir, as I said a while ago, sir, as experience yung napansin ko, sir, in the past, kung sino, sir, yung chief PNP, siya, sir, yung naglalagay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Retired na ako. I retired in 2001, 23 years. Nung ako rin ang nag-chief ng NCR CIS, ang chief PNP ang pumipili kung sino ang maging boss diyan. Di ba? Kaya ikaw ang pinili ni General Acorda. Right? Tapos nung naupo si General Marbil, nirelieve ka kasi siya ang pipili ng uupo doon sa unit na yan. That has been the tradition. Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes.
O kaya dapat hindi sumama ang loob mo dahil alam mo na yun ang tradition eh. Thank you, Mr. Chair.